You see, yesterday I have collected this particular thing. So all the students have written different, and there is no majority, no minority. Okay. So conjunction, prefixes, suffixes, conjunction and connectors, figures of speech, direct, indirect speech, active, passive voice. It's a mixture of the classes what I have taught. So what I understand is I thought okay, if majority of the children write one particular topic, we will go for the revision of that particular topic. Right. Now as it is a mixture, then you yourself can see it is a mixture of responses, mixture of the lessons. So what we will do is we will go for systematic revision one by one topic wise. Okay. So right now though, today we will be revising the first lesson or topic which is there in your grammar textbook. Okay. Today's test you will get the Google form in the evening. So all of you be ready for the revision of active and passive voice. Okay, all the students, online students, be ready for the revision of active and passive voice. As I told you, it is a mixture of responses what I have got from your class. Okay. And as I told you, today there is a class test. Class test of which lessons? 7, 8 and poem, Sumac and Tiger. In the evening, I will be posting the Google form in your class group. All the students need to attend the class test as a revision, and before evening 6, you have to complete your class test. Okay, all the students, those who are attending online, class test should be submitted before evening 6. Okay, so right now though we are discussing about not about, and remember there will be no particular revision in the class for the lessons and the poems. Last bench boy, what's your name, boy, please? What's your name? Vaibhav. I'm asking you only what is your name. Okay, come here. This bench is free. Why to sit so congested? You can bring your bag, rearrange your place. When there is space, why should you sit like that? Online students, remember, you will have no particular revision for the lesson and the poems. Okay, you have to do it on your own. There will be no particular revision. Don't wait for the revision in the class. You have to revise it at home. Read the textbook because fill in the blanks and choose the correct answers will come from the lesson itself, not from the backside. Is it clear? We have to do the revision very fast because time is less. Okay? So the first topic is active and passive voice. So today is the day of revision 2. Okay. Yesterday we have completed the prefixes and suffixes. So now you can write the topic revision 2. That means second day of revision is going on. Online students, I hope you have taken your notebook and you are ready. Okay. And already you know the format, right? Formula. How to make the passive and active voices, right? So what is that? Subject plus? No. Online students, do you remember the formula of converting active voice into passive voice? That is converting, right? But if you are given a active voice, how do you change it? What is the formula? Subject plus past participle यूज करते ही है, तो भी उसकी पहले which verb you have to use? Which helping verb? सब्जेक्ट प्लस V3। बेटे सब्जेक्ट प्लस V3 के बीच में हम कौन सी टाइप का वर्ब को इस्तेमाल करेंगे? Which type of verb do we use? Yes, it is posted by Prata Ambedkar and Lavanya Borkude together, right? Both of them, one has posted for the present tense, the other one has posted for the past tense. Good children. So it is like, subject plus is R plus B3. Subject plus we will be using with the I only. Is R plus V3. And if it is past tense, then what will be there? Subject plus was or past or were plus V3. Right. And if you have to convert the change sentence, then subject will be object, object will be subject. Okay, that's it. Okay. That is correct, yeah. Now, look here for few samples. What is the problem with the Mohit? Mohit, do you have any confusion or any problem? You have pencils? What are you looking at the back again and again? Do you want some help from me? Do you want some help? No. So look at the sample. One sample I am going to give. Online students, I will be typing it in the chat. Okay. Rita or someone. Stitched a dress. Rita stitched a dress. Now this is the sentence. Okay? Rita stitched a dress. Now we are directly going to convert this sentence into passive voice. Okay? We are going to convert it into passive voice. All the online students, please look at it. Labhansh Nikode, V3 means eat, ate, eaten, past participle. Participle, okay? You, Labhansh Nikode, I recommend you take your textbook page number 83. Only for Labhansh Nikode, not for others. There is a pink box given. Just look at that pink box. Eat is base form. Eat, ate is past tense form, that means V2, and eaten is past participle, that is V3. Okay. Now look here, all of you. Better concentrate. Okay. Now, what is the subject here? Rita. What is the object? Airless. And this sentence is in which tense? Present or past tense? Past tense. अगर past tense है तो हमको कौन सी formula use करना है? Past plus V3. It is already V3, right? So now what we have to do is with this we have to use was or were, and subject को यहाँ घुमाना, object को यहाँ लाना. समझ में आया? Subject यहाँ, object वहाँ. So Satyam, can you say what should I write here now? I am asking Satyam. A dress. Very good. Satyam, fantastic. A dress. This is singular or plural? A dress means singular or plural. You said singular, right? So from was or where, what should I write here? Rudra? Rudra? I am asking Rudra. Yes. Was. Why? Because this is singular, right? A dress was. Please don't say the answer in comment. You tell me what should I write now? You. Ankit. A dress was. What? Read. Huh? Rita. Rita will go here. This will come here. Now, what is the verb which I have to type right here? You are right. Come on, read out. Are you noting the points? Wife of? What should I write here? Say louder, baby. Stitched. Wife of. A dress was stitched. Now, who stitched this? I will ask one by one. Sai Aditya. Sai Shivakrishna.
By Rita.
By Rita. The dress was stitched by Rita. Why we used was here? Because a dress is singular. Why we used stitch here? Because it is the third form of the verb. Why? This is V3. Okay. A dress was stitched by Rita. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Online students, is there any doubt that it? Yeah, you people are typing the answer. And when you are writing this A plus here, A should be capital. Why? Because we are starting a sentence, new sentence. Shivakna Peta and the nearby child is Ankit Aibo. Ankit Yadav. Right. So question number 2. We will not solve many exercises in the class. We will solve one or two through which you will be able to understand the concept. Okay? See children, we don't have much time for the revision. So if you have any doubt, you need to post it. Okay? Next one is also past tense, but I will give it in plural so that you can have a plural verb. You can use a plural verb. Okay? You are coming for the first day, right? Or second day. Okay. The boys repaired the cycle. आप लोग कभी कभी करते हैं ना, साइकिल का चेन निकल गया तो आप लोग डरते हैं, right? So you may be taking the help of your friend also. That's why this sentence is very familiar for you. The boys repaired the cycle. The boys repaired the cycle. Now, again the same rule. Subject will be object will be subject. And look which tense is used here. Past tense. This verb is already in V3. Right. So now we have to use very good. Can you just make these cycles? Cycles. The boys repaired the cycles. Now, according to this object, you have to select was or where. Okay, Shreyansh, Logal. Can you tell me what should I write here? Subject will be object. What is the subject here, Shreyansh? You look here and say what is the subject in this sentence?
The ball.
The boys. What is the object?
Cycle.
The cycles. The cycles. Okay. Now, Shivana Beta, what should I write here now?
The cycles.
Very good. The cycles. Now, next Ankit, what should I use after cycles? The cycles. Pardon? No, I have to use a helping verb here. What should I use? The cycles. Refer. The cycles. I am asking him. No one else. Why your hand is up? The cycles. Is it plural or singular first of all? Is it singular? The cycles. Is it singular or plural? Then what should I use here? Where? So the cycles were, okay. The cycles were Mane, Aditya Mane. The cycles were, then which verb should I use here? Repaired. Very good. The cycles were repaired. Now what should I add here? Behind the cycles were repaired by the boys. Very good. So I hope you all are able to understand how to convert it. Yes or no?
Yes.
If anybody has any doubt, now itself freely you raise the hand and ask me, Madam, why these cycles, why this, why that, you can ask. Okay? Now, question number 3. Now, how you say? We used was and we used were. Is it clear? Because here the cycles, the subject which comes here is plural. That's why we have used were. Here this is a dress is singular. That's why we have used was. Sparsh, are you able to understand? Okay, online students, good. Now, present tense. The dogs chase. Where is that? पीछे दौड़ा. The dogs okay. आपको चेस में प्रॉब्लम है तो डिस्टर्ब ले दो. The dogs disturb a cat. The dogs disturb a cat. Disturb you know? Yes. Okay, chase and yes, correct. Parishan. The dogs disturb a cat. सबको पता है डॉग और कैट देखा तो बहुत परेशानी होता है, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज द डॉग्स डिस्टर्ब sorry the dogs disturb a cat. Now look, the dogs disturb means क्या है? Base form of the verb. तो base form of the verb हम present tense में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, right? So now what is the subject and what is the object? Dhruva, Vari, tell me what is the subject here, what is the object?
Subject. The dog.
The dogs is the subject. ये आपको एग्जाम में यही करना है.
Object.
अर्चना लिसन, एग्जाम में आपको यही करना है. जैसे क्वेश्चन आता है ना, सबसे पहले यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट एंड यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ यू आर डूइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आपकी पहली साल है एक्टिव और पासिव वॉइस करने का, तो इसमें आपको क्या है, थोड़ा सा गलती हो सकता है. तो देयर इज नो अवार्ड फॉर द चाइल्ड हु इज कंप्लीटिंग द एग्जाम फर्स्ट टाइम. फर्स्ट मैं पहले कंप्लीट किया, ओके, यू कम एंड टेक दिस अवार्ड. देयर इज नो अवार्ड. So do, and it is totally offline, no online exam this time. So understand. And first of all, underline the subject, then the object. Yes, bete. What is the object?
A cat.
A cat. Good, very nice, Dhruva. Now, what will I do now here? Anish, you tell me. What should I write here?
A cat.
A cat, very good. Fantastic. A cat. Now, a cat is singular or plural? A cat is singular or plural? Singular. Please don't say the chorus answer. Let me understand. So, a cat is singular. Okay, I also understand. So, now, what should I use with this? This term means which tense? Present tense or past tense? Present tense. Right. So, disturb is simple present tense. So what should I do? A cat. What? Yes, come on. Is, very good. A cat is singular, so I must use is. Give a clap for it. Very nice. A cat is. Now, what should I do? This term I should turn into third form of the verb. Okay, come on. A cat is. This term I should change it into V3. What is disturb? Third form. Disturb the third form. Disturb the third form क्या है यार? I'm asking what is the third form of disturb? स्पर्श कट्टर. Say the spelling. हाँ. हाँ. RB. हाँ. This is the third form of the verb. Disturb. What is the third form of disturb? No, we only will say. Sit down. Come on, fast, hurry up. This is a very common word. Needy. Disturb. Disturb. Good. Now you understood why I say he only will say. He will think and say one so that he will not forget. The cat is disturbed. Now what should I write after this? Satya, what should I write? The cat is disturbed. Say louder. By the dogs. Okay, good. The cat is disturbed by the dogs. Online students, I hope you are able to understand what we are writing now. Okay? Now, what is the time? Let me see. 12:38. See. Online students, I am posting the attendance link. You can just click the link and post your attendance. A cat is disturbed by the dogs. Very nice. Fantastic, Avantika. Students, today there will be an online test. Not now. There will be an online test of lesson. There is a class test of lesson 7, 8 and poem Sumatran tiger today. Okay, so I will post you the link of the Google form in the evening. All the students, soon after the class is over, just revise the lessons and be ready for the test. I hope you understood what I said, right? So our time is over. Ah, yes. I will send it in the WhatsApp. Okay, all of you, I will send the Google Classroom link of your Google Forms link in your WhatsApp today. Okay, so you can click and join. Means you can open the form, write your name and section. Mukta Yaladi, I hope you are understanding. Keep the mask properly, better. So today there is a class test. I will be sending the Google form in your WhatsApp. Click the link, attend the class test. All must write your name and the roll number. It's a revision test. Okay, it is compulsory for all the students to attend. Those who are not attending, their names I will post it in the class group. Okay, Shreya Kamle, Arya Kamle, are you understanding what I say? Okay, students, it's time for me to wind up the class. So, see you in the next class. Satyam.